Okay, guys, I bought this immersion water heater, and this comes with the thermometer. I started this about 5 minutes ago. Water is really hot on the top, but the bottom part is not as hot. So it's at 86 degrees right now. It started at 76. You can see the bubble, how it's boiling. Yeah, we wanted to take it in our minivan camper. And hopefully this works. So I don't have to carry the big bulky propane water heater. Um, our minivan, our Toyota hybrid has a 1500 watt electrical generator. So we could just use up to 1500 watt. They had 2000 watt, but I bought 1500 watt immersion water heater.